All right, which fraction is the largest? Anyone who gives you such a question does not like you, right? Yeah, so if you pay a close attention to the fraction given here, they have they are strange fractions. They are strange fractions, yeah. So you're wondering, all right, so how do I how do I find the fraction that is the largest? All right. So I'm gonna show you a method that works, especially when you are dealing with fractions that you can't really tell which one is the largest. All right. So the first thing you do is this: you look at the difference between the numerators and the denominators for each pair of fractions. All right. I mean, for each fraction. So look at this one. 25 and 28. What is the difference between these two? The difference between the numerator and the denominator is 3, right? If you say 28 minus 25, you get 3. Then the difference between 73 and 79 happens to be 6, right? And then here, difference between 113 and 125 is 12. All right. So you see, I started by looking at the differences of between the numerator and the denominator. So that's the first thing that I do. Now, I then take these answers that I got when I subtracted the numerator and the denominator. So these are what I'm going to take. All right. All right. All right. All right. So the first fraction, 25 over 28, the difference is 3. So I'm just gonna write 3 according to their order of appearance, okay? I mean, order of occurrence. Then between 73 and 79, we said it's 6. And I also gonna write 6 over there. And then for 113 and 125, we say 12, right? All right, so there I'm gonna write 12. So after doing this, what am I going to do? The next thing that I'm gonna do now here is to find the LCM of 3, 6, and 12. Find the LCM of 3, 6, and 12. 3, 6, and 12. So you can see that here, the LCM is the LCM happens to be 12 in this case here. Right. So um for me to get to 12, I multiply by 4 here, right? Perfect. All right. So I then come up there. Then the first fraction was 25 over 28, all right? And then I will multiply here by 4. I'll multiply here by 4. All right. That's what I'm going to do here, right? Okay. Then I go up again here for me to get to 6. 6 gets into 12 how many times? 2 times, right? Yeah. Gets into 12 2 times. Then I go up where there is 73 and 79. Then I'm going to multiply this numerator by 2. Okay. Then I go down again. 12 here. Obviously, it's going to be 1. All right, because 12 into 12 is 1. Then I go up here. Now multiply this numerator by 1. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. So what's going to be the next thing now? I'm now going to multiply the numerators like what I did. So here, 25 times 4, it gives me 100, isn't it? Then 73 times 2. All right, yeah, it's gonna be 6 and 14. So it's gonna be 146. It's gonna be 146. And then this one, 113 times 1. 113 times 1 is to remain is 113. Perfect. All right. So by just looking at these numbers that I now got, um, here I've got 100. Here I've got 146 here. There I've got 113. So which number is the biggest? Obvious is 146. So that makes this fraction over here the biggest. So the biggest fraction is going to be 73 over 79. So tell me what you think about this method of ordering strange fractions, So I want you to tell me what you think about this formula or this method that I've just showed you just now. All right, cool. Cheers. Bye-bye.